Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Monday.com has an AI agent, and today I'm going to show you all the ways that you can use it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are jumping into Monday.com. I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use their AI, but there are tons more. Now, before we actually start, we need to go up to our little profile picture on the top right-hand side, come down, and you're going to look for administration. After you've looked for administration, within here, you're going to look for customization, and here you're going to look for features. Now, you need to turn the AI capabilities on. So scroll down and look for the AI capabilities. So over here it says enable or disable AI features. And this will allow your account members to see the available AI features. Now, make sure that it is toggled towards on and it'll show blue. Let's go back, and here we are in Project 101. I'm going to show you a few ways to use their AI. So first of all, we're in this new task. Let's open this new task, and here you can see that there's a description over here, but you can write it with AI. So now you all you have to do is describe your update and what it should include, and the AI will write it for you. It is also context aware, which means it knows what's going on in the project. It also knows what's going on in the task. So whatever it's doing, it has all the information that any other employee or member will have within your workspace. Now, there is another way of doing this. Let's say, for example, we close this. There is our headings over here, and I just want to close this quickly. Let's just close that. All right, we've got files here, and within here you can see that there is a file. Now, if you open up this file, you can see that this is an image of a chart, and if you click on extract, the AI will scan this file, whether it's an image, a PDF file, a document, whatever it is. It'll scan the file and it will want to extract information. So here you can see select the info to extract. So we've got the scene type, the primary goals, and the notable features. And then all you have to do is create an autofill a column, and it will now create a new column with all of the information that's been extracted from that particular item. Now, the last way to use this is clicking on Sidekick, and Sidekick again is your context-aware AI assistant. So right over here, you can ask Sidekick to do whatever it is that you want it to do. So you can say, create a new task about XYZ, whatever it may be. And then it will create a new task with all your details that you add in there, and it will then also be able to interact with that task. You can see that there's a new item being created there, and you can add whatever information you want in right over here without having to physically add it in. You can just have it done through the AI. Now, as I said, this is context aware, so it is aware of everything that's happening within your workspace, which is amazing.